For this week, I want you to update. Rain is falling down. So we're going to apply the same concept from down, down, down the hill. Right hand play melody first time, and the left hand plays the accompaniment. And repeat the song with flip hands. And I believe it's page 8. Right here. So the first time you're going to play right hand melody. And then repeat the theme with left hand melody. And repeat with flip hands. I want you to memorize the arrangement, and if you're aware of the rule between melody and accompaniment, this gets easier. When the melody note is scale degree 1 and 3, in this case it's C and E, receives one chord in accompaniment, because they blend very nicely. And when the scale degree 2 is on the melody, which is going to be D for the song, accompaniment is going to be 5. So this concept applies to many songs. So if you are aware of those rules, memorizing accompaniment part will be much easier.